Okay, so padayon ta sa atong examples on how to integrate a natural logarithmic functions. Okay, so another example is this, no? Evaluate the indefinite integral of x squared minus 3x plus 2 over x plus 1 with respect to x. So, klaro kay class nga, we cannot directly apply the formula, no, on how to integrate a natural logarithmic function. So, unsa tong first buhaton? Okay, let us analyze first what is given. Uy, dili man nato siya magamit. So, in other words, we will do another process first before to mag-integrate, and that is, we will divide this, no, using the long division method. Muna tong atong na-learn sa atong algebra before, no? Kung nakadumdum pa mo sa inyong mga algebra, naamantay how kanang process niya, how to divide a polynomials using the long division method. Okay, so here, let's solve this. So, this will be our divisor, x plus 1. So, copy x squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay? Again, kung makadumdum pa mo, what is our first step? We divide x squared to the first term in the divisor. So, x squared divide x, you have x. Okay? Then, distribute x to the divisor. Meaning to say, multiply mo si x aning duha. So, x times x, you have x squared. X times positive 1 is positive x. Okay? So, nakadumdum na mo gamay. So, ma-change ni ang sign. This becomes negative. Then, this becomes negative. So, x squared minus x squared is 0. Negative 3x minus x is negative 4x. Then, bring down positive 2. Again, the same process Japon. Divide negative 4x to the first term in the divisor, which is x. So, negative 4x divide x. You have negative 4. Okay? Repeat the process. Distribute negative 4. So, meaning to say, multiply na to. Negative 4 times x. Negative 4x. Negative 4 times positive 1. Negative 4. Then, ma-change niya po ng sign. So, negative 4 plus 4, 0. Positive 2 plus 4 is 6. So, in other words, we have a remainder 6. So, we have plus 6 all over x plus 1. So, dito na din ta, kanina din siya ang quotient. Kaya rin ta magbase sa pag-integrate na to. So, the given integral becomes the integral of x minus 4 plus 6 over x plus 1 with respect to x. So, isa-isaw na to sila integrate. So, we can have the integral of x dx minus 4 integral of dx plus 6 integral of 1 over x plus 1 dx. Okay, isa-isaw na to. What is the integral of x with respect to x? So, you have here x squared over 2 minus the integral of dx with respect. You have here negative 4x. Dugang lang nimog x, di ba? Plus, copy the constant 6 to the integral of 1 over x plus 1. Just simply ln of x plus 1, then plus c. So, this is it. Nanira ka simple. Okay, I really hope na mo'y masabtan. So, salamat and good day. Okay, another example on how to integrate a natural logarithmic function. So, we have your example number 2. Ganina, man naman tanong sa itong unang example. Suppose you are given the integral of 1 minus 2x raised to the second power over x with respect to x. Na-observe class na ang numerator is a binomial raised to the power 2. Pwede na to siya expand. No? Dili man na to magamit ni siya diretso using the formula on how to integrate a natural logarithmic function. Sa ating na-expanding binomial. So, we could have the integral of 1 minus 2x times 1 minus 2x all over x then dx. Okay? Then, simplify. You can use the FOIL method or any method, distributive method, na yung na-learn no, on how to multiply polynomials. So, use the FOIL method. You could have here 1 minus 4x plus 4x squared all over x with respect to x. Okay? Mauna na siya, class. Then, observe na nasa denominator x. So, what we're going to do is we will divide each term by the denominator x. So, you could have here the integral of 1 over x dx minus the integral of 4x over x dx plus the integral of 4x squared over x dx. So, gitagsa-tagsa nato sila og divide sa x. And we copy the integral symbol. Okay? So, this na to integrate 1 over x dx. Idungan lang nato. Minus. Very clear that we could cancel 4. Okay? Cancel na to si x rather. So, you have here, gawas na to si 4. So, the integral of dx plus, here, makancel niya po na to si x. So, na x na bilin sa taas. So, that is the integral plus 4 integral of x dx. Okay? Ka-follow ta, class? So, simplify sa nato, no? Find their common from the numerator and then denominator, then cancel that one. Okay, so now we will integrate. So, the integral of 1 over x dx is, you have ln of x minus 4x plus 4x squared over 2 plus c. Then simplify. You have ln of x minus 4x plus 4 divide 2. So, you have 2x squared plus c. Okay? And this is the example number 2 karon. So, I really hope na tayo masabtan, and that's all.